bitch ass nigga. Oh, my bad. Yeah, I'm recording this shit right now. But dog, I done lost my damn video I just made of my girl snoring and shit. Damn, I was trying to prove to her that she snore all the fucking time. But yeah, it's like 12 o'clock. Well, it's going on 1 o'clock right now. But yeah, I've been on the phone with her ugly butt for like shit retarded. I'm about to hang up on her ass. But yeah, every night she always snoring. Then the next day, she be like, I don't snore. Nigga, you do snore. Damn. And I feel sorry for all the other dudes. For all them other dudes that like every night they chick go to sleep on them on the phone and shit and they snoring. Then the next day they be like, nah, I don't snore. Yes, that's the fuck you do snore. Man, I'm out, man. It's so fucking boring, man. Not this bitch. Let me see if she snore. No, it's a rap. She